Hello and welcome back to my channel. So, we're at Home Depot. Nice hat, Mia. We're doing a houseplant hunt for spring. And I'm at a different Home Depot. I don't know about this one. We'll see. Those are pretty cool. Look at these. This aloe. We have a golden pothos. I really like these though. Like, these are huge. Repotting them though. That'll be interesting.
It's almost like one of these, except it's all green and the leaves are thicker. Now it's tall.
Dragon's tongue? Malaysia.
Look at this guy. Something.
I don't know. We didn't come here for succulents.
Maybe I did. It's the winter.
Oh, that looks like a boxwood. What is that?
A boxwood.
Oh, I am so good. Oh, I think Jay would like this one. For the basement, right?
A corn plant.
That's adorable. Is it heavy? Because you're carrying it like it weighs 50 pounds.
It's not that heavy. Look how pretty.
Something smells really bad in here.
It's the
Boxwood?
I like this one and this one. This Echeveria doesn't look too good.
Some jade plants here. We have one of these. Home Depot has a Hoya. Let me inspect this. You guys, there's like little fungus gnats flying all over the place. Look at my hair. Gosh. Some type of fern, but it's dead on. Looks like it's not doing too good. Like, do they combine a spider plant with a pothos? Yep. Basic Home Depot stuff here. No tag. Dying. I've never seen this before. These leaves are pretty cool. They're real thick. Look at that guy. He's like a really thin, paper thin cactus. What's that?
I don't know.
It's adorable.
That much. Looks too cramped.
Do you like air plants?
It just says Tree of Life.
Is it real? Looks like it's glued in there.
You can glue them in here.
And they'll still live?
That's what garden answer does. See? They're dying. That's how you tell they're real.
That's weird. Those are like... Oh, that's weird. Oh, this is cute. These grow kits never worked for me. I'm curious to know if they work for anybody else, because I don't know. Maybe I'm doing something wrong, but I have no idea where she's going. Oh, there's more plants over there. I was like, where are you going? What are these? Perennials. What?
I don't think you can buy these.
Bricks? Yeah, they're for sale. What do you need a brick for?
You wanted bricks.
For what?
She said you wanted them for your
Oh, for the bench?
The
The bench. Yeah, $42. Like, for real? For real? I think we're gonna go with something like this for the yard. It's a lot of soil. So I think we're gonna go with pots only today because this Home Depot, it has fungus gnats flying all over the place. And I just don't trust that. So we're gonna look at pots. Where's Terra Cotta? I need Terra Cotta. Are they outside maybe? Yeah. Oh, that's pretty for
a succulent arrangement?
Yeah. That's what I was gonna say. You took the words right out of my mouth.
They have no drain holes.
No drain holes. Epic fail.
These are soft on the bottom. Large leaf.
Rhododendron Crete. I don't know if I'm saying it right.
Soft.
These are just like bushes and stuff to plant in the ground. It's Magnolia.
Magnolia Jane.
Jane.
They're supposed to get pink.
Ooh. So all we ended up getting was 4 boring little terracotta pots.
And saucers.
And some saucers. Most of their stuff's outside. They don't have a very large indoor selection, and there were fungus gnats like flying all over the place in there. Oh my god, my hair looks terrible, guys. Sorry, it's early.
Pretty though.
Aw, you're so nice. All right, guys, that's it. Thank you for joining us in this little video of searching for spring plants. We were way too early in the season, but we'll come back and check out what they have. The guy said April, so we're a couple weeks too early. Give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. Who doesn't like plant shopping? Don't go to Home Depot on, what street is this? I don't know, but fungus gnats everywhere. Fungus gnats. Oh, bugs.
Make sure you subscribe.
Oh, there you go. And I'll see you in my next one. Bye.